Talk about the installation method of the projector hanger. Turn the projector over first so that the back is facing up. Be sure to avoid hitting the light bulb during the flipping process. There are many screw holes on the back of the machine. Every machine is different. Then put the claw of the hanger in the middle. Guaranteed force balance. The position of the hole and the length should be in the same direction. Take out 2 Allen keys. Use a small hex wrench to loosen the screws. Adjust the position of the fixing screw after unscrewing. Easy to fix later. If the distance is not enough, a short screw extension is required. Then take out the supporting C and D screws. Put the spacer under. Tighten the screw with an Allen wrench to extend the. Make sure each claw is fixed in the corresponding screw hole. Then take out the gaskets of the G. H and F accessory kits determine. In the location and choose a place with a balanced force. The spacers of the H accessory pack are placed on the bottom. And the F and G accessories are stacked together on the top. Then take out the screw of the accessory back A and tighten it. Don't tighten too much for now. After the other few are installed, fix them together and tighten them. The other 3 were fixed using the same method. The spacer is added because the screw is too long. Need to be raised to avoid damage to the chassis. Here, because the distance is not enough, you need to add an extension rod, because there is no need to extend too much. You can adjust the distance properly and then fix it. After the 4 screws are fixed, tighten the screws of the chassis. The hole and the bulb must be in the same direction. After installation, check to make sure it is fixed tightly. Enough to hang the projector. The next step is to assemble the hanger. And take out the key accessories package screws. Fix the top fittings and perforated booms. Thread through 3 holes and fix with screws. Then use the large Allen wrench to snap the screw. Tighten the other side with a wrench. The effect after tightening is like this. Then install the rod and fix it with screws. This position can be adjusted left and right. Then it can be extended or shortened according to the actual situation. Holes can be flexibly adjusted and fixed with screws. After assembling the 2 parts, punch holes in the ceiling with an air-filled drill. Then use a hammer to fix the 4 expansion screws. After fixing, fix the projector and the bottom section with screws. After fixing, if the projector shakes, it can be tightened on the side using the screws from. The accessory kit prevents shaking. Now that the installation is complete, you can lift it up and try it. These are the states of the projector after the actual installation. The hanger and the ceiling are fixed with expansion screws.